Let me. Good afternoon, everyone. This is MD Aminur Rahman again from Cardiff Metropolitan University. I'm going to explain today how to perform variance ratio test at level. In the first video, I have explained that I'm going to perform the test of weak form market efficiency when we could conclude whether the market is weak form efficient or not. It involves 4 different tests I mentioned in the first video, and in the second video I have run the run test and found that the series does not follow a random walk model. This is my third video where I am going to run the variance ratio test at level. So I have uploaded the same data series FTSE all share index. Here you can see in EViews. So I'm going to run the test now. So I clicked on the FTSE all share index. In the left corner I can see view. I click on it. I can see variance ratio test. Here variance ratio test. There is the box 2, 4, 8, 16 at different periods, test period, and I click random walk. I left all the box as they were. I'm going to click now OK to perform the test. Here is the test result. We can see there are 2 different test results. Here at the top is a joint test, and the bottom one is individual test at different periods. I need to explain what they are before I explain the outcome. So the joint tests are the test of joint null hypothesis for all periods, while the individual tests are the variance ratio test applied to individual period. Okay, so I'm going back to the test result and going to explain the joint test of Chow-Denning maximum Z statistics for FTSE all share index. Here the result shows that the p-value, probability value, is more than 5%. Therefore we can draw a conclusion that the series follow a martingale rather than a random walk model. In the individual tests at different period, we can see variance ratios at different periods and their corresponding p-values. All the variance ratios are less than 1. We can see at different periods they are less than 1, and their corresponding values are more than 5%. So I need to mention here that when the variance ratio is less than 1, there is a negative correlation in the data series. When the variance ratio is more than 1, there is a positive correlation in the data series. When they are equal 1, it indicates there is no correlation in the data series and they follow a random walk model. Here the outcome is variance ratio is less than 1. So we can conclude that there is a negative correlation in the data series. So they have a relationship in the data. So I can conclude that they do not follow random walk model. They definitely do not follow random walk model. From the joint test I can explain as the I can explain that it follows a martingale as the probability value is more than 5%. So I found the result that the series does not follow a random walk model. In the second video, I have shown from the run test that a series does not follow a random walk model. So there is a consistency in the result. There is a consistency of results from variance ratio test and the run test, that the series does not follow a random walk model. We're going to perform the unit root test and Lung box statistics test in the next videos, to conclude whether the series follow a random walk model or not, and whether they are weak following efficient or not. So until then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos. Thank you.